Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Ageless Wonder. The Ageless Wonder generates small, gentle electrical pulses that are delivered into your skin through the application wand. These electrical pulses activate your underlying motor nerves, resulting in muscle contractions. As your muscles contract and relax, it's effectively giving them a workout, so it's helping to lift and tone your skin, as well as stimulate blood flow to the surface, so it really improves clarity and texture of your complexion. Start by sliding the provided batteries into the back of the pack. Next, fill this little bottle provided with water, and you're going to saturate these blue sponges until they feel wet to touch. Next, clip the sponges into the headset. Next, plug the headset into the device and you're ready to set your program. To turn the Ageless Wonder on or off, you just press the power button for 2 seconds. There are 3 panels on the device. The first panel is the mode, and it shows you on the face as to where you should put the sponges depending on the mode that you choose. The second panel is for the time, and the third panel is for the intensity. You can flick between the 3 panels by pressing the little M button, and you can use the plus and the minus signs to determine which mode, how much time you'd like it to run for, and what level of intensity you'd like. There are various positions you can place the headset depending on which areas of your face you'd like to tone and tighten. To lift, firm and tone your cheeks, position the headset horizontally with the application wands below the cheekbone and approximately 1 to 2 centimeters in front of the ear. To firm and tone your lower cheek, position the headset horizontally with the application wands below the lower cheekbones and approximately 2 to 3 centimeters in front of the ear. The Ageless Wonder Kit also comes with a little handheld wand. This is for use under the eye area, on your forehead, on your jawline and your chin. When you want to firm and tighten these sections, take your sponge out of the headset and pop them on the handheld wand. Be sure to use the sponge set with the cord, as this will be the one that plugs into the device and activates it. For your chin or jawline, place the sponge here or along your jawline. For your under eye area, simply place the sponges directly under your eye. You can also use it to stimulate and tighten your forehead by placing the sponges on various points of your forehead. The Ageless Wonder is available from danosdirect.com.au.